Hello kitchen lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn your notification button so you do not miss any of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my videos. Thank you for always visiting my channel. So in today's video, I'll be making a simple pasta recipe, suya jollof spaghetti. And trust me, it's simple but very tasty and flavorful. In a pan or pot, add little oil and then go in with the onion. So we're going to be sauteing this onion so the onion can release its flavor into the oil. Then I'll just add my curry powder and thyme flakes, and then stir that together. Then I'll be adding my tomato paste, and I'm going to cook this on a very low heat so it can, cook properly. Now I add my chopped bell peppers and habanero pepper, then go with my seasoning, seasoning and salt, and this is my suya. I made the suya myself, so I'll just add the suya and then give this a good stir, and our sauce is ready for jollof pasta. So I'll just go in my pasta and then stir this. You see, this recipe is so easy to put together, like so easy, fast food, no time to waste time. So I added a more bell pepper for pop of color, and voila, the spaghetti jollof is ready, suya spaghetti jollof. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. I paired with my turkey and plantain. You see, this plantain is oven grilled or oven roasted. Oven roasted. It wasn't fried. Remember, it's a time to eat healthy and eat clean. So I'll just enjoy this. You can also try this in your home. It's so simple, easy to put together. Yes, you don't need a special skill to do this. So please guys, drop your comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Kisses. Bye.